Hi everyone, welcome to my Django E Commerce project. Today I want to talking about custom template tags. As you know, the first time that I showed you Django, I introduced Django framework that does working like this. We have URL and view. From view we have connection with the template, and also we have connection with the model. This is our Django structure. The general structure name is MVC, but in Django is MVT. They change controller name with the view. Actually view is controller and template also is view. Okay, this is access structure that some part of Django that they can has relation to each other and they has connection to each other. But in Django it's a different presentation about Django, that this is client and user and also is browser. First we have connection to URLs, then views. From views if we need we connect to models from the database, and we get some information from database and show to templates and browser. Okay, what is custom template tags? Custom template tags, it is that we need something from the access to function from the templates without using views or something. For that we need to use custom template tags that we can find in Django documentation is custom template tags. Okay, you can see and you can read a lot of information from this part of this area. It's simple definition that how we can do and how you can define some function and something on this style. Okay, that information. I want to apply this sample on my category, because in my templates from all function I have to send category from the each function to templates. It is difficult, and I want to just call my category once in my project. For that I want to define one function from the custom template tags, and I want to access this function from the templates. How we can handle this process in our Django framework? Okay. First, we need to create template tags. As you can see, one folder name is template tags, and you need to create init Python function. It is blank, as you can see, doesn't include anything, and you need to create one Python file. This name is up to you. This not has a standard name. I just called my app tags. Okay, for this you need to define this Django import template and this register your template library. Without this definition you couldn't use your tags in your template. Okay, I want to show my sidebar always. This is my category. As you can see, in my category always I get my category data from the category object, and I send to my HTML. Always, as you can see, it is different. Okay. From everywhere I send, because for our project, as you can see, from different parts of my, as you can see from here, from here, everywhere, every function we have to send category from the views, because my category in my project it is in the sidebar. My sidebar and my top line is together in my templates. Okay, I want to call these, I want to get this category from the ones, from the just one function, because I have in my project I have just one header file, one sidebar from here, pardon, is not header, one sidebar file, as you can see from here. How we can apply, how we can call my apps tags. First we need to create a function. I will explain to you this second. I want to call, name is category list. We don't have any parameter, and I want to return this. It takes okay, category object all. Before I defined, I tried before. For that I have category from here. If without this I get an error, and we need to import my category, as you can see. Okay, I define my function from here. The second things we need to call this function from the template. Okay, first, as you can see, we look something from the template. As you can see, also this is look like template text. Okay, we need to load my apps text. As you can see, I want to call my function, as you can see, category list, but we need to, because when we call any function, this is, we need to send, maybe we need to send parameter something. For that I want to get return value as category, as you can see, because we need the category. Okay, I get I define my HTML text function, HTML text from here, HTML text Python from here. As you can see this full path. Then I called my category list function from there as name category. Then I want to my index. I want to close this category from here. Okay. I want to try. As you can see, it's working. For example, from user template, this comes from the view also. I want to change from my, for example, this is my user view. From the index, I want to close this. Then I want to close from here. It's working. Always working. In my project, I don't want to call category anymore. Okay, we don't need the send category anymore. From everywhere, not just here. Okay, we send from too much. We sent too much. It was not professional, but we did. Okay. We have error in login page. Yeah. In context also, where's the, yes, we still have error. Okay, as you can see, all the time it's working. because I delete from, I don't have favorite products, I don't have. Okay, as you can see, always it's working. How is working? Because we get category from the template text. Okay, I solved different problem in my header, because in my header always I need to get product count in my shortcut list. As you can see, we have 2 products. When I add some product in my project, I want to count in this area. As you can see, we have 3 product in shortcut. Also, I get this count from my HTML text, but it's different from the category because we sent from here parameter. As you can see, I defined my shortcut count function. I have one parameter, name is user ID, and we need to also user is user ID. Count, we need to return shortcut object count. User ID is this user ID, because in the shortcut we need to get just this user product. As you can see, we have user ID, the name. In header also, I load my app text also same again. Then I called my shortcut count is my function name. This is my parameter. You can add more parameters. Just give the space between parameters from this structure, and as count. And I wrote display this count from in my HTML. Then this show to us we got error. Yes, my function, my code was wrong. If we have filter, we couldn't use count right here. I changed with the filter. My user ID is my parameter user ID. Then I wrote count. Okay, this return count this user product, and we return this variable from the function, and I define this variable in this HTML area. Okay, you can use, if you have, because our header is static, if something that we need to get in the header, the one way we should define in the session, the second way you need to send from each function that we use for category, and second and short way you need to get from the HTML text, template text function like this. like this style. With this style from the template, you can send parameter to any function in the custom template text, and your template text you can use all of Python codes, and you can connect to models, and you can get some information from the models, and you can do something and send to templates. Okay, the HTML text sample it is. Thank you for watching. See you next video.